Hi everyone, welcome back to another short tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can reset the permissions of all your old apps which you are not using. So to reset the application's permissions, all you need to do settings, then general, then go down second last option, transfer or reset iPhone. Just tap on it, then tap on just reset, and here you will see the bunch of settings. So if you tap on reset all settings, it will reset all your iPhone settings. Reset network settings, just your network settings. Here you have to find reset location and privacy. So if you tap on it and enter your passcode, this will just reset the applications, all your location and privacy settings of your all apps. So now whenever you use in application, it will ask you for the permissions again, so you can decide either you want to give this permission of camera, contacts, etc, etc. So that's it for today's short tutorial. See you in the next one.